Hi, my name is Dylan Zimmerman, and just to clarify, I will be using two 3x5 index cards to help me gather my thoughts. The TED Talk that I chose to write about was called How AI Will Step Off of the Screen and Into Our Real Lives. And this was um, presented by Danielle Russ, who is the leader at MIT's um, robotics and computing program. MIT is a number two school in the country, therefore, I'd say she's pretty credible and a worthy person to speak on this specific topic. Why I chose this specific video, I think it had a lot to do with my specific major and the fact that I will be using probably a lot of AI with computer science and coding and all that fun stuff. Therefore, I saw it suitable for myself. And um, I also really liked the title of it. Um, the title is very specific and it's not very general and broad. Therefore, you know exactly what you're getting before I even clicked on the actual video. And so the way she starts off is she starts off explaining the difference between AI and robotics. And the way she explains them is that they are two completely different things, basically, and a lot of people confuse them thinking that they are the same. Her goal of this whole TED Talk is to explain how she wants them to be one. And the way she does that is through her physical intelligence, which basically is hoping to combine AI and robotics into one thing, making it a super robot almost. Um, and the way she plans on doing this is by a three-step process that her first step is to think, basically figure out how robots think and how AI thinks and use that information for ourselves. The second one is design, figure out the same thing, how AI is designed, how robots are designed, and how we can merge those together. And then the third thing is to learn about both AI and robots. Um, the way she plans on thinking and designing are through neurons. Basically, all humans, all organisms have thousands, if not millions, of neurons. And she thinks that the less you have is the better for her physical intelligence. Therefore, she created a self-driving car, like her team created a self-driving car with only 19 neurons, which makes it uh, very clear and precise as to what the robot's goal is, rather than having thousands of neurons all communicating with each other and having one big mess and entanglement. And the the way she closes out her TED Talk is by explaining that if she does all of these things correctly, if they can think, if they can learn, if they can design physical intelligence correctly, that she thinks robots can be all over the world, helping people, helping design certain things, and just being everywhere in our everyday lives. And the three questions that I had for her were, how close is this quote unquote physical intelligence, and how long would it be until we can see this in everyday life? The second one is, does she believe that AI will take over almost in a way that will limit people's jobs or take over people's jobs? That simple things we won't need um, people to work or to do because robots can do it for them more efficiently, more faster. And then the third thing is her main goal to have AIs be everywhere, or does she think that that is a bit too much artificial intelligence, or does she want does she want robots doing everything, or does she just want them to help us in our everyday lives rather than be everywhere in our everyday lives? And the reason I picked these three questions are because, like I said, my major, I think I'll be dealing with AI a lot, and therefore I would like to know what will be happening furthermore with AI, and I think it's a good thing to research. Thank you.